Hi friends, welcome back to Anira Trends. If you're new to my channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and bell icon for future notifications. And here is the easiest cleaning method of switchboard. And here I'm doing a paste kind of a cleaning liquid, and I'm going to clean this up. Before applying any liquid or cleaning agent, you just wanted to scrap all the big particles and dirts this way, but don't give too much of pressure because while using that DIY paste, it will react really well and take off all these dirts. So you can just give a light scratch over the switchboard this way. So once after this, I am going to apply a DIY paste kind of thing to remove this. Okay, this is almost done, but don't do it too much and lose your energy. Try to scrap out all the area that is around the switch, because that's the area where dirt gets accumulated, and also on the top of your switchboard. And here I have the DIY only one secret ingredient like baking soda or baking powder, cooking soda, anything of your wish, and add little water to it. Here I am using cooking soda. So once after mixing, you can just apply this over the switchboard this way. I am not giving any pressure. I am applying generous amount of cooking soda that was mixed up with water simply. You can also use vinegar if you have, because vinegar is not available in all the houses. That's the reason. So that apply this all over the area where you have dirt. You can just let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So the baking soda or cooking soda will react to the dirt and make it easier to wipe off. So after some time, I am just giving a very light pressure to remove the dirt. The same toothbrush is used here. You can just notice how easily it's getting off from the switchboard. Just give very little pressure, that is more enough. You can notice how much the dirt has came out. So rub it wherever it's required and make sure that you switch off the main. Okay, so now wipe off with the cloth. Some residues are there, that is nothing. After cleaning there will be some stains, no, that only that can be wiped off easily. To clean the edges, to a towel or cloth, keep your knife or any sharp particle material like this and clean it. Sides of your switches and the edges also. So here I am showing you how to keep your metal knife or something this way. Fold your cloth 1 or 2 times and keep it inside like this, so that you'll get like a sharp one to clean off the edges where your fingers can't reach. So this will clean up the minute areas like sides of the switches and up and down of the switches. While doing this, you should switch off and clean and switch on and clean, so that you can just clean off the top and bottom part of the switch as well. For the plug points for the holes, you can just use any toothpick or any metal part, any wooden or plastic to clean it. Now it's done. I am just giving a last wipe with a wet cloth. You can just see how beautifully it has turned out. So this way you can just easily clean up your dirty switchboards very easily, that too especially in kitchens. Clean the sides of your switch and also the top and bottom part of your switch. This way. So it's almost done. Give a last wipe and let it dry for some time, then start using this. If you like this video, give it a like.